Why you should hire a licensed electrician. Electricity is vital to every building, whether residential, industrial, or commercial. It's what helps run our businesses and our society as a whole. The importance of electricity cannot be underestimated, in the same way that its danger cannot be taken for granted. Contact with electricity is a leading cause of workplace injuries and fatalities, but many of these deaths can be prevented by ensuring qualified electrical workers perform all electrical work. This not only ensures that the work is done right, but also that it is done safely. Licensed electricians know and understand the requirements of the Philippine Electrical Code and are experienced at compliance with PEC and occupational safety and health standards for electrical safety in the workplace. These electricians follow the safety principles that include electrical inspections and evaluating the electrical equipment, planning out every job and conducting job hazard analysis, and identifying the electrical hazards and reducing the associated risks. A typical safety program that licensed electricians workers go through includes the importance of personal protective equipment, safe work practices, special precautionary techniques, and risk assessment. Complete your project efficiently and safe by hiring licensed electrician. There are so many things that could go wrong when working with electricity. Getting it done right the first time is key. What if a mistake is made because the electrician you hired doesn't know what they are doing, and your entire electrical system gets fried? Licensed electricians have spent the time to learn how to do things correctly. They can also make suggestions on how to keep your home running efficiently because they are up to date on the current technology. Thank you for watching. Share it for others to know. Thank you.